Hey traders, let's try to understand the difference between a strategy and a system. According to me, a strategy is a technical setup which helps you to find out a target, entry and SL of a particular trade. Whereas a system helps you to take a profitable trades using a different strategies. No guys, you will not find this in any dictionary because this is what I have learned from my trading journey. Let's make it easy for you guys. Suppose a strategy has a component A, whereas a system has a component of A, B, C, D. So if you take a trade with the help of strategy, only component A, now the chances on the losing side is more than on winning side. Whereas if you take a trade with the help of system, whereas you have 4 checks, that is A, B, C, D, now the chances on the winning side is more than on the losing side. It's that simple. What if I tell you, you need to just choose the right trade to become a successful trader? 80% of a trader lose their trading career just because they always choose a wrong trades. Just think about this guys, you know the exact funda of choosing a right trade. You know the secrets of using the technicals. You are always on a winning side. You want to become one of those who's always on a winning side? You want to one of those who always trade more than a 70% accuracy? Then guys, you are missing out something and you need to check out my core trading system which has helped more than 1000 traders to transform their struggling trading journey to the professional one. So click the link below in the description and attend my 5 days core trading workshop where I will take you to the complete roadmap towards a successful trading journey. Hey, you still confused? You still waiting? Let me assure you guys, after this 5 days core trading workshop, 70% of you will start your trading journey very soon. And what it cost? It's just less than small equity stop loss. Hey, you still waiting? What man? Just click the link below in the description. See you soon. Ciao.